Today in this video I am gonna explain Scarlet new version. Download and install Scarlet on iOS, no revoke. Your information says you can't install the original Scarlet because it has been revoked. You will provide a tutorial on how to install and use the new version of Scarlet without revokes. This involves downloading Scarlet iOS without revokes and using a DNS to bypass backlists. Download Scarlet iOS from the provided source without revokes. Download the DNS necessary to bypass blacklist. In the video description, there's a link to download a custom Scarlet with DNS. Click on it. Keep clicking until a notification appears to download the profile. Go to your device settings menu to install the downloaded profile. Input your passcode if promoted. Join a specific Telegram group mentioned in the video. Search for Scarlet within the group to find the app icon. Click on the link provided in the Telegram group to download the Scarlet app. There will be the updates and additional links for Scarlet installation in the group. Click on one of the links in the group to download and install Scarlet. Wait for the installation to finish. Try opening the app. If it doesn't open, uninstall and try it. Another link. If Scarlet says untrusted enterprise developer, it means it works. Verify the app in device settings under VPN and device management by trusting it. Open Scarlet and manage certificates by importing the certificate file downloaded earlier. Unzip or decompress the certificate file if necessary. Input the password provided in the Telegram group to import the certificate. With Scarlet, sideload IPA files. For example, try installing dynamic cow IPA files. After importing, check if the installation is successful and the app can be opened. Try sideloading another IPA file like WhatsApp IPA and ensure it works. The new version of Scarlet along with DNS should now be working without revokes. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.